Hey everyone, we're Shawn and Heather, and today we're making 3 delicious fruit-based recipes perfect for any occasion. Let's get started.
First, we have an appleberry salsa with cinnamon chips. This sweet and tangy salsa is perfect for dipping. We start by zesting an orange and then squeezing 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice. After that, we cut up 1 cup of chopped strawberries, 2 peeled and chopped kiwis, 2 peeled and chopped apples. You can use whatever variety you prefer here. And then we mix it all together in a large bowl. You want to do this gently so you don't damage or bruise any of the fruit. Then add your orange juice to help prevent the apples from browning, and then add your orange zest. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and your kiwi. Gently stir it all together. Next, add 2 tablespoons of apple jelly and gently stir that into your fruit as well. Next, we're going to make the cinnamon chips. Start by setting your oven to 400 degrees. Cut your tortillas into 8 pieces each, and then spray with some water or cooking spray and shake a cinnamon sugar mixture on each. You're going to bake for 8 to 10 minutes until they are crisp and lightly browned. Let them cool completely before serving. And that's all there is to it. Next, we're making a holiday fruit salad. This colorful and festive salad is perfect for any holiday gathering. First, you're going to whisk together half a cup of fresh orange juice and some lemon zest, a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and some sugar, and some orange zest. Heat this on the stove until it's all combined, and then strain it and set the resulting liquid aside. Next, you're going to peel your apples and then chop them. Add your lemon juice to those apples to prevent them from turning colors or oxidizing. Next, you're going to take and chop some navel oranges and then add those to the apples. Add some craisins, grapes, and pecans. Toss everything to combine. And then add in the sauce that we created on the stove. Ideally, you'll serve this immediately, but if not, you can always put it in the refrigerator for a few hours until you are ready to serve. And while this chills in the refrigerator, check out our collaboration partner, Just Cook the Damn Food, for other summer recipes. Our third recipe is a frozen fruit salad that is perfect to make with kids, like we did with our nephew. Into a bowl, you're going to add 16 ounces or 2 tubs of whipped topping, followed by a can of cherry pie filling and a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Now you're going to stir all that together until everything is well incorporated. Then add your drained pineapple and stir that in. Finally, stir in the pecans that you previously chopped. There are 2 ways to serve this. First, we're going to do it in cupcake size, fill each container, or you can add it to an 8x8 or 9x9 pan. If you're going to serve this relatively quickly, put it in the refrigerator to cool. If you're going to save it for a later time, then you can put it in the freezer, and just remember to pull it out about 15 minutes before you're ready to serve.
And there you have it, 3 delicious fruit-based recipes, perfect for any occasion. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and before you go, check out our Snickers flavored frozen yogurt bowl. It's creamy and delicious, perfect for a cool and indulgent snack. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.